Namaskar. We all might have heard about pranayama and its immense benefit to our health and mind. Pranayama is a traditional yoga practice. Prana means life-giving force, ayama means control. Controlling and regulating our breath is just as important as water and food to our body. Regular practice of breathing techniques help in strengthening, protecting, and energizing our various systems of human body. On the spiritual perspective, pranayama is considered as the gateway to a calm, natural version of ourselves. Before beginning of our yoga breathing techniques in practice, we must note a few things. Practice in well-ventilated, clean, neither too hot nor too cold room. Wear comfortable dress. Practice at least after 4 hours of any meal. Stop and relax your breathing practice in case you feel dizzy or uncomfortable. Please don't force yourself. The first step, we need to sit very comfortably. You can choose to sit this way if you are comfortable, or even you can choose Vajrasana. Or if you are not comfortable in this position, comfortably be relaxed and sit in this position. Only thing which you need to keep in mind is that your shoulders must be very relaxed, your spine must be straight, and your palms, your index finger must touch your thumb in Trinu Mudra and must be facing the ceiling, and it must be placed here in your thighs. Other than this, inhalation and the exhalation process in all the 4 techniques which we are going to practice today are going to happen through nostrils, lungs and abdomen. One important thing which you need to keep in mind is that while you inhale through your nose, you will have to feel the air passing through your lungs, and you can place your palm on your abdomen to feel that there is a slight expansion during the inhalation process. Similarly, during the exhalation process, your abdomen will be slightly squeezed towards your spine and gradually you'll be releasing the air through your nose. This process of inhalation and exhalation through your nostril will remain same in all the 4 techniques which we are going to perform today. Let's begin with the first breathing technique. In the first technique, we'll be inhaling gradually and again exhaling gradually. The same thing which we need to keep in mind, while inhalation will feel slightly expansion in our abdomen, and while exhalation our abdomen must be squeezed gradually and gently towards the spine. So this breathing process you can do up till 4 times, 5 times, whatever you are comfortable with, but today we'll be doing it once so that you understand. Let's begin with the first breathing technique. So we are done with the first technique. Now we move to the second technique. In second technique, breathing technique, what we do is that we'll gradually count. Then we'll count. While inhaling, we'll count our breath, and while exhaling also, we'll maintain the count, and this counting we'll do it in our mind. You can choose to count up till 3 counts for inhalation, 3 counts for exhalation, or even you can go up to 8 counts of inhalation counts to 8 counts of exhalation. According to your practice, you can increase the number of counts of both inhalation and exhalation. But for today, we are going to do it for 4 counts. By inhaling, we'll keep the counts in our mind and we'll count 4. And similarly, when exhaling, we'll again keep the counts in our mind and we'll count. So let's do it together once. So this was the second technique. This also, you can, well, you just begin, if you're a beginner, you can start with 2 counts, that is 2 counts of 2 counts of inhale exhalation, and with gradual practice you can do this for at least 8 counts. Now in the third technique, what we do is that we have inhalation process. After inhalation, we pause in the sense we retain our breath for some moment, some counts, and then we exhale. Here, if you are a beginner, you will be inhaling for 3 counts, pause for 3 counts, and again exhale for 3 counts. That is, it is equally placed. Today, we are going to do this third technique. The counts which we are going to maintain is 4 counts. 4 counts inhalation, then we pause for 4 counts, and then again exhalation for 4 counts. So we are doing it now. Let's do it once. So this was our third technique. This also, in the beginning, you can do it for twice, 2 repetitions you can do. Once you are comfortable with this pause and retention, then you can increase it up to 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, whatever. But every day if you practice it for minimum 2 times, you'll get all the benefits. So now we move into our fourth technique. Here, same, we'll be breathing for 4 counts, then we pause our breath, hold our breath for 4 counts, exhale 4 counts, and then we retain, we pause again in that exhalation process for 4 counts. That means here we include a small pause at the end of exhalation. Basically, we are equally spacing it into 4 cycles: inhalation, pause, exhalation, pause. You can do this counts even for 3 counts, or even you can do it 4 counts, 5 counts, up to 8 counts. Whatever you're comfortable, you can do and you can practice. But for today's demonstration, I'll be doing it for 4 counts. So let's begin. I'm doing it. I'm starting the 4th breathing technique. So we are done with this 4th round of the meditation process. If we every day do this 4 breathing techniques in this sequence, I'm sure we'll get all the benefits of breathing. You can practice this 4 techniques in the same sequence from 2 counts, 2 repetitions, up to 5-6 repetitions. Whatever is suitable to you according to your practice and time. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Spirit joy. Namaskar.